Guys, so let's check what we can eat from our garden. Here is outside of our garden, so we have some fruits there. They said it's a sweet fruit. It will grow a little bit more bigger, then we can pick it. So that's how it looks. This is the tree. Yeah, so we have also some of our herbs here, like gargir. Yeah, we planted some potato in here, so let's see after a few months. So this is outside of our garden. This also some gargir in this just kind of trees. This is fenugreek, guys. Fenugreek. Look at that. Wow. We have also here, we have kas. It's a lot here, guys. All kas and this parsley, and we have kodra here. Yes, and this more kodra and kas. No kas here, it's just all kodra and parsley, guys. We have here parsley. So let's move forward inside our garden. I'm kind of little bit excited. There's some flowers here outside. Yeah, look at the flowers there. This, guys, really smell amazing. Smells so good. This is outside of our house, so we're going back inside. I'll show you what is inside the garden. Here we have some, sorry for that, we have some green onions, and this one is apple tree, guys. Apple tree. Oh, apple tree. Wait for some months to grow. Let's see. And this is some kind of flowers they call rihan. Smells very nice. And here also like apple tree, because you know we used to throw some fruits here in the garden, so it's growing. So excited. This also rihan. This is onion. This might be an orange, guys. Orange, some kind of orange. We used to eat two type of orange. They called it like Yusufandi. Maybe this the one. And this basil again. This hirkas, kodra. This guava. This one, guys, it's guava. So it's still small. Maybe by summer it will be more better. It will grow a little bit more. So this here, kodra, kas. It's the same. This more kas. Look at the kas, guys. It's so watery. It's very fresh. There's no chemical at all, and it tastes so good. It tastes so nice, really. Some kodra here. This also kas, but after few weeks it will come. Here, so we move forward at the back. This kind of herbs, guys, they used to make some soup on this. I forget what do you call this one, but some kind of herbs. So here we have another kas and kodra, and we have, this is fenugreek, I think, yeah. And this is mint. Look at the mint, guys. We have a lot of mint here. So if you want to make tea with mint, you just go out for the mint. We have a lot. Alhamdulillah. We have also here the guava, the big one. Look at that. Since it's winter, guys, it's not that much. So inshallah it will grow in the summer. Waiting, it brings some guava already before last summer. So let's see. Our neighbor have their big guava, inshallah. So we have here chili. Look at the chili, guys. It's very nice. So with these things, we don't need to go in the market. It's just here outside our home, and outside and inside the gate. So this all here, this another chili. Look at the chili, guys. And we have here kas. This is more kas. And guys, you know what? I just planted some orange in here just few days back, and look at that. Look at that, guys. Orange is coming. Oh my god, look at that. Orange, guys, it's coming. It is another kind of orange. It's so nice. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Grow. So that's our garden. That's all what we can get from our garden, guys. This is the view from far. And this the other view here. So hope you enjoy our garden, guys, and watch me on my next video. Inshallah everything will grow, and I'll show all of this, like apple, orange. Inshallah, guys, it will come everything soon, inshallah. Thank you for watching, everyone. Watch me in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye.